Hey, welcome. Today we are going to talk about county public finance. We will talk about how the county governments are financing their budgets and how they are using taxpayers' money. We have been doing this budget series to make sure we update you on what is going on in our counties. Today we will focus on Wajir County. And as you know, the most recent audit reports from the Office of the Auditor General are out, and therefore go for them, read them, and make sure you are updated on what's going on in your home county. So if you come from Wajir County, kindly visit the Office of the Auditor General website and download the report for your county assembly and your county executive and know what's going on. I have been before at least twice, and I know what's going on there. I know a couple of people working for that county. This Wajir County, basically, to give you a background, is found to the northeastern part of this country of Kenya, and the county is one of the marginalized areas of Kenya since independence. The county largely depends on miraa cess. Miraa ile ya kuchana. The cess they get from miraa is the largest source of revenue. And as you know, counties are unique from each other. Some counties have a different source of revenue. Largest source of revenue, for example, for Nairobi County is land rates. But for Wajir County is miraa cess. It contributes 20.4% of the total revenue for that county. That is of the total local revenue. So as I said, today we will focus on the audit reports and some of the issues which have been addressed in those reports. So in Wajir County, the report focuses on a number of issues which were undertaken during the financial year 2015-2016. When I say the financial year 2015-2016, this is the year from 1st of July 2015 to 30th of June 2016. So during that year, the county assembly was allocated 560 million. And all that money was used for the current expenditure. So there was no development budget. No wonder the new county assembly is being built by the executive. But I always wonder, why should the county executive build the county assembly when the county assembly can be given its own budget to build their own house or chambers? It's just a food for thought. I was even thinking about our national assembly. Can national assembly accept, for example, the executive arm of government to build their national chambers where they hold their discussions and debates? No. So, these issues of the county assembly has been mentioned by the Office of the Auditor General because he was asking, why is it that the project has never been completed after having spent over 90 million on that project of county assembly chambers? The project actually was supposed to be completed by 12th of November 2015. But as we speak, I talked to some MCAs and other leaders from Wajir County. They have not completed the assembly chambers. The other issues which were mentioned by the Auditor General included the issue of underperformance in revenue correction. The county assembly or the county executive had promised to raise 150 million during the year 2015-2016, but they were only able to raise 81 million, which is a huge underperformance. This was lower than what they raised in the year 2014-2015 when they raised 108.1 million. That is for 2014-15. So the county government, this trend for local revenue correction is going downwards like this. From 2014-15 to 2015-16, and if nothing is done, if no reforms are done, then it will continue going down. which is so bad for the residents of Wajir County. The last issue I will talk about is the issue of procuring food rations, which the amount of 12.4 million was spent, but it could not be accounted for by the executive. When I say it could not be accounted for, I don't mean that the money was stolen. No. What we mean, because what we are looking at is financial audit, and a financial audit is used to determine the accuracy of financial statements produced by the county government. So when the Auditor General says that 12.4 million could not be accounted for, it means there was not enough evidence to prove that the money was used well or was used for procurement of food rations. That is just a brief of what is in the Wajir County audit reports. You can find out more by going to the Auditor General's website, download the two reports, one for the County Assembly and another one for the County Executive, and read for yourself. Know how your county government is using their money. We will be glad to hear from you. If you have any questions regarding these audit reports, if there are some terms you don't understand, please feel free to ask those questions down below in the comment section. We will be glad to get back to you. You can even write us an email or write a comment. Actually, we prefer comments. Write the comments below, and also do not forget to like, share, and also like the videos, share, and leave comments. We will be glad to get back to you. Thank you very much. See you next time on the internet. Thank you.